Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to cancel your Xfinity internet using iPhone. Let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Xfinity app and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in the app, tap the account tab at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap internet or service depending on your account's layout. Here you will see all the service you are subscribed to. Look for an option that says manage service or cancel service. Tap it and follow the on-screen instruction. You may be asked why you are cancelling. Select the reason that applies. The app will show a summary of your cancellation and any remaining charges. Tap confirm or submit to finalize the process. If you have an Xfinity modem or router, make sure to return it to an Xfinity store or through their prepaid return label. Returning your equipment on time avoids extra fee. And that's it. You have successfully cancelled your Xfinity internet using your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.